What's up guys, welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure you like and subscribe. So today is a day off, so today I'm going for a church gate collection at 6:30. I'll take you with me, and then later on then my friend Connell, you'll get introduced to, is coming over and we're just going to watch telly, have a few drinks, you know. And Shane, what are you doing today?
Well, at 12 o'clock, sorry, I'm going to football, and then I finish that football at 1, sorry. So after that I'm gonna go up to Dublin with my mum and dad, you know, do the usual, go to B&Q, see if we can get in the kitchen, bada bing bada boom, you know what I'm doing.
Also, if you do like seeing what I'm wearing a Pull and Bear jumper. Once again, day off, so comfy Nike bottoms, and then I'm wearing the reliable all white cons. And Shane is wearing his Kylian Mbappe
Backward shirt.
Air Jordan jersey. Aren't you? PSG.
Yeah.
Boom. So that's the plan for today. So it's time to go get breakfast first, isn't it? We need to get breakfast.
I need to get my breakfast.
And also today, it's a very important day for the Irish people. We got a vote for our new government. So all the parties have been promising all this sort of stuff, all the good things that they're going to do when they go in. So then people will vote for them, and then after the votes are tallied up and counted and all ready to go, nothing changes. Nothing changes. But still got to go vote. If you don't vote, can't complain. So I need to vote so I can complain. Voting done. Time to chill and watch Ireland hammer Wales. Just after scoring a try.
We were probably just after pinch us there.
Boom. So yeah, we watched that for a wee bit. Then I got church gate collection, and then Connell's coming down, and we'll have a bit of crack then.
Yup, John Jones.
Yeah, and then maybe I'll stay up and watch the UFC. Maybe, or I might just record it and watch it tomorrow morning. Come on! Game over. Big win for Ireland. Big win for Ireland in terms of Six Nations, especially with a new coach. Big win. Bonus point. Big Devin Toner's back as well. Big bad Devin Toner's back. 24-7. Game over. 4.5 minutes left. Might be another score in there somewhere, but it's not going to make a difference to the end result.
Also the new kicker.
Oh, the new kicker, yeah. New kicker's on as well for Jonathan Sexton. So positives. 2 wins out of 2. England in 2 weeks' time in England. It's going to be a very big game. A very big game. We'll have to go out and have a look at that one. The wind is that bad in the game. He has to hold the ball to stop it from blowing off. But this is the new kicker, looking to pop her over.
So my Guinness Six Nations Player of the Match is CJ Stander. Second man of the match, or player of the match award in a row for CJ Stander.
Wow. Maybe he won't be the new kicker for long, maybe. But the wind is terrible, to be fair to him. The wind is very bad out there.
Nice up Johnny Sexton's kick.
Yeah, Johnny Sexton's missing them as well. It's just the wind. But big win for Ireland over Wales. CJ Stander man of the match. Let's go Ireland. Woo! collection done. I really need to stop pointing at the camera. Church gate collection done. I'm liking me jump shot, to be honest. Wet. Go home now, get changed into dry clothes, and then Connell will be over. I'll soon, and Hannah, and probably Paul, and probably my mum, and then we'll probably do some games or something. So yeah, a quiet Saturday night in with friends. Time has arrived for you to meet
Top 40.
the great Connell Kelly, who is at the minute
Music.
so distracted by the Sky remote because he can talk to it.
Top 40. So we didn't find any results. Why not try tennis? I don't want tennis.
Tell it you want the music on.
Samsara.
That's
Red
it.
Dwarf.
No, it's a thing.
MTV Music. Buzzing.
That's new.
Turn up.
New.
Turn volume up.
The whole vlog is going to be about Connell trying to figure it out.
Turn volume down. Why can't you understand me?
What's your?
Because you're a culture.
Turn the volume up, please.
You want to go here, you want to go on that ride.
I'm Alan's best friend.
Yeah. You probably know all my cards I have because I keep calling this. Yeah.
What's this? Is that yours?
Alcine, do you have a 7?
What's yours, Hannah? Yeah, Alcine.
No, that's not me.
Alcine, do you have a 7?
They are yours. Have you got a queen there?
Oh. I do.
We can match it up.
Ma'am, you're holding your card there in a very awkward place.
What do we do with these things then?
Put
Put
it in there.
it beside you. Get rid of it.
Buzzing.
It's the one with no cards left wins the game.
I'm winning now, boys.
A few moments later.
You know what?
Realise.
I would just like to thank my family for this occasion that I won this first game with Jack Chase we did.
It's Go Fish we were playing.
Same thing. And I thank Alcine, I thank Alan, I thank Yvonne and Shane for making me win this game. Boom. Buzzing.
I have
Okay.
no control over my
Connell
game.
Kelly.
Well, I've done this fella since I was about
Red.
15 years old. Kwanzaa, Magaloo.
Yeah, Alcine.
He's a bit of an alcoholic though, in all honesty, but he loves the fun of a pint.
Breaking him up. So funny.
All he does is drink,
She's
like.
under the covers. She jumps
No,
on the
I don't
bed,
drink
she
as much
tries
as
to
you
go
do.
back.
Well, I don't mind drinking as long as I'm with someone I like.
It's like she goes, hide me. And then you go. I have to get up and tell her.
So that's Connell.
I feel sorry for when you meet me for the first time. I feel sorry for yourself.
I stick. It's very funny.
I feel sorry for yourself.
You guys,
And then I do have
you
to
like
leave the
overtime.
room.
What's up, guys? Thanks for taking time out of your day for watching my vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. More content coming up. Boom.